So, let's have a seat in the car and let's take time glass cleaner. In this case, I'm using the Bottle Spray Clorolux Car Wiper Maximum Glossy Transparent by Cisbrill or Cislim, as you like. It is a special cleaner for glasses, so do not use this on plastic. This is really important because there are some liquids inside what can harm the plastic. And we are going to use a cloth. The cloth can be made from different materials as you like, but it should not be spread out with some fluoride, etc. So that is a cleaning agent. And it is a special cleaning agent for glass. And it's a super special cleaner for car glass, for your windshields, and also for your front lights cover and your rear lights cover, because this is made without alcohol and silicon. And this means that you can use it on glass and on your front lamps and rear lights, no problem. And of course you can use it on mirrors too, the back mirrors right and left, and the rear mirrors in the interior. You have here a cleaning agent or hand surface cleaners. This is with different liquids inside, and this will remove the dust and stains and bad smells, etc. on the surface. And it is really nice because you can use it and wipe it on the screen or on the glass itself. And after this, there will be no lines because you have to clean it by using a cloth to remove the dust, remove the stains, remove everything on it. And after this, the liquid will spread out in the air and leaves a clear glass behind. This is really nice. If you are really tough guy, you can use a microfiber cloth after this for finishing, of course, no problem. But you do not need it. It is really so that this liquid will clean your glass immediately. Of course, use for every glass area a new wrap of your cloth. Do not recycle your cloth, because then the dirt is inside your cloth and you're going with the dirt on a new area. That's not so good. So rotate the cloth a little bit and spray the liquid on it, and then go on the glass and clean it. Really easily. Really easy. This is the height is 27 centimeters, the wide is 9 centimeters, and the depth is 3.5 inches. These are 9 centimeters. You have here a quick drying, precisely formulated texture liquid, which gives you a gloss and transparency one of a second. It is really instant. It is so fast because the liquid will spread out so fast. It's really awesome. It's easy to use, easy. For this, you only need a cloth and this liquid, and then job's done. You will enter it on the screen, then wait a little bit, job's done. For the super special guy, use a microfiber cloth and make finish with it. Then you have a good shiny and a good glass to look from the inside to the outside and so on. You can also use it in your in your living room too, of course. But this is the first thing is use it on your car. But do not spray with the spray on the screen. It is better to spray into the cloth than use the cloth to wipe around there. Really easy, and the quantity inside is 1 liter, and this will you can handle it for a couple of glasses, no problem, really. That it is how to use it. You can see it is really shiny, really brilliant, a good glossy. This is the awesome Clarolux Limpiarciateles Maximo Brillo y Transparencia Formula sin residuale. I don't know. This is Spain, I think, though. By Sislim or Cispro. It's a really nice liquid. Use it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.